Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root, and this one we have s squared plus 1. Now we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2u, this one we have 2s, this one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. The square root we change by u, 2s ds we change by 2u du. Now u divided by u we have number 1. The integration of number 2 we have 2u, and I will put about c. About u that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.